Shall we begin the class?
Yes, ma'am.
The strength is pretty low, but still, the zeal should be high. I want everyone to answer now. Is that fine?
Yes,
ಓಕೆನಾ
ma'am.
ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು.
Yes,
ವಿಲ್
ma'am.
ಡೂ ಒನ್ ಥಿಂಗ್. ಎಸ್ ನಾವು ನಿನ್ನೆ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಇದೆಯಾ? ದಿಸ್ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ AP MP ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಆವ್ರೇಜ್ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾರ್ಜಿನಲ್ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ನಿನ್ನೆ.
Yes, ma'am.
ಓಕೆ, ಇನ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ವೇ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ದ ಸೇಮ್ ವೇ, ನೋ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಮೆಥಡಾಲಜಿ, ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes?
Wait for 5 minutes, ma'am. They are went for beginning calci.
Okay, okay, no problem. You can start, like, whoever has the calculators can start. Anyways, I'll be giving time for you people to solve this. Tell Mohan that he can speak later. So you're supposed to calculate both the things, that is AP and MP. Start solving fast. Oh, hello, Sukrish. Okay, fine. Is there some problem with the projector? You're not able to see the question or what? All of them are pointing at Karthik, and I don't know what is happening there. There, some hero entry or heroine entry is happening now. Okay, fine. This is a question for you people to solve. You are supposed to calculate AP and MP, just like how you did it yesterday. And divide this into the stages, stage 1, stage 2, and stage 3. We will see that into the graph, very, very important graph. Bulky completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. That's really nice. We'll wait for another 1 minute.
Over, ma'am.
Okay, fine, good. Tell me, What is AP?
3.
3.
3.
Then 3. Okay, next.
3.33.
3.33. Next.
3.25.
3.25. Next.
3.
3.
Okay, next.
2.67.
2.66.
67.
Okay, 2.67. Okay, next.
2.2.
2.28.
2.28.
28.
Next.
1.875.
1.87.
Okay, next.
1.4.
1.44.
Okay, good. MP is done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, tell me.
3.
The same thing?
3.
The same thing will be 3. 6
3.
minus 3 is also 3. Next.
4.
4. Okay, next.
3.
Okay, next.
2.
2. Good. Next.
1.
Okay, good. Next.
0.
Okay, good. Next.
-1.
Minus 1 and
-2.
minus 2. Okay, good. Till here, all of you have completed?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, fine. Now divide this into the stages. Till which particular stage is stage 1?
4.
Till
Of
4.
increase.
Very good. This is stage 1. From where to where is stage 2? ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ stage 2?
to 1, ma'am.
Okay. 3 to 1 is stage 2. This particular thing is MP is equal to 0. If MP is equal to 0, then TP should be?
Maximum.
Very good. TP should be maximum. TP should be maximum. So after this, whatever you have got, this goes to which stage? This is
Law of
stage 3. What is stage 3 called as?
Negative.
Negative returns. ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ
Yes,
ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ
ma'am.
ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ? Okay, fine. All of you towards the board. All of you towards the board. I want you people to observe this graph. ಈ graph ಅರ್ಥ ಆದಮೇಲೆ we are writing one table. Clear? Very, very important graph. First, we are going to this dotted line. Dotted line ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ?
Yes, ma'am.
ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಡಾಟೆಡ್ ಲೈನ್ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿದೆ. ಈ ಡಾಟೆಡ್ ಲೈನ್ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಎಂ ಪಿ ಕರ್ವ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಎಂ ಪಿ ಕರ್ವ್. ಈಗ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ 1ನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂ ಪಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ? ಇಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ರೀಚ್ಡ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ 1ನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂ ಪಿ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ರೀಚ್ಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ 2ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಡಿಕ್ಲೈನಿಂಗ್. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಡಿಕ್ಲೈನಿಂಗ್. ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ 3ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಯಿತು? ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್. All of you towards me, towards the board. Stage 1 ಏನಾಯಿತು? MP is increasing and it has reached what? It has reached a maximum point. ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿದೆಯಾ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ?
Yes, ma'am.
ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿದೆಯಲ್ವಾ ಡಾಟೆಡ್ ಲೈನ್? ಓಕೆ.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ 1ನಲ್ಲಿ MP is increasing and ಯಾವ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಗೆ ಹೋಯ್ತು? ಒಂದು ಪೀಕ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್? ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ 1ನಲ್ಲಿ. ಎಂ ಪಿ ಕರ್ವ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ 2ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಯಿತು? ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸಿಂಗ್. ಏನಾಯಿತು? ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಡಿಮಿನಿಷಿಂಗ್. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸಿಂಗ್. ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ 3, ಸಿ ದಿಸ್, ಈ ಲೈನ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ವಾ, ಈ ವರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಲೈನ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀರಲ್ಲ, ಈ ಲೈನ್ಗನ ಮೊದಲು ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ 1, ಮಧ್ಯ ಇರೋದು ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ 2, ದ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ 3. ಸೊ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ 3ನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂ ಪಿ ಕರ್ವ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತಿದೆ? ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಡೌನ್. ಅಂದರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತಿದೆ? ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್. ಗೋ ಟು ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ವಿಚ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಡನ್ ನೌ. ಈಗ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಲ್ವಾ? ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ 1ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತಿದೆ? ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸಿಂಗ್. ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ 2ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತಿದೆ? ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸಿಂಗ್. ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ 3ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತಿದೆ? ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಯು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ದಿಸ್
Yes, ma'am.
ಟೇಬಲ್? ಈ ಟೇಬಲ್ನ
Yes, ma'am.
ಗ್ರಾಫಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಲುಕ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್. ಸೊ stage 1, it is increasing, it is reaching the maximum point. Stage 2, it is decreasing, and stage 3, it is going to negative returns. MP curve ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? MP curve ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Good, fine. Next, we will go to total production. TP curve. What is TP? It is total production.
products.
ಟೋಟಲ್ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನಲ್ಲಿ ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್. ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಒನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ರ್ಯಾಪಿಡ್ ಗ್ರೋತ್, ಫುಲ್ ಒಂದೇ ಸತಿ ಬೂಮ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ದ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಕೋರ್ ಇಸ್ ಸಮ್ವೇರ್ ಲೈಕ್, ಈಗ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಕೋರ್ಸ್, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ 2, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ 20, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ 30. ಸೊ ದರ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಹ್ಯೂಜ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್. ಆ ಥರ ಬೂಮಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಇಟ್ ದ ಗ್ರೋತ್ ಸ್ಟೇಜಸ್ ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಗ್ರೋ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಟಿ ಪಿ ಇಸ್ ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ಗ್ರೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ not at rapid scale. It is growing but scale ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಆಯಿತು. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಈಗ 30 ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರಲ್ಲ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 32, 35, 36. ಇದು ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸಿಂಗೇ, ಬಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ? ಇದು ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಿರೋದೆಷ್ಟು? ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ 3. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಿರೋದೆಷ್ಟು? ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ 1. ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಹೌದು, ಬಟ್ ನಾಟ್ ಎಟ್ ದ ರ್ಯಾಪಿಡ್ ಸ್ಕೇಲ್. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ 2. What is stage 3? TP ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ 3 ನಲ್ಲಿ? It starts falling. It starts declining. It starts descending. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you, MP and TP ಎರಡು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ?
Yes, ma'am.
ಓಕೆ. ಈಗ MP ಕರ್ವಲ್ಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ವಾ? ಇದು MP ಕರ್ವಲ್ಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ವಾ? ಅದರ್ ಅಡ್ಜಸೆಂಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆನ್ TP is called point of inflection. MP curve peak ಇದೆಯಲ್ವಾ, ಆ ಪೀಕ್ದು ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆನ್ ದ TP curve, it is called point of inflection. What is the point of inflection? Adjacent to whatever is the highest point of MP, that point on TP is called point of inflection. Okay, I'm asking you one question. Point of inflection is on which slope? Which curve?
Increase.
Demand curve.
Demand curve. What curve is this?
TP.
TP curve. So point of inflection is on TP curve. But ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಇನ್ಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾವ ಕರ್ವನ್ ರೆಫರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ?
MP.
MP curve. All of you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
No problem with this
Ma'am.
particular thing?
No.
Okay. The last curve on this graph, what is this? This is AP. What is AP? Average
Average product.
It-
Average product.
Product or production, anything. So stage 1 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತಿದೆ? It is increasing. Stage 1 it is increasing. Stage 2 ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸ್ಯಾಚುರೇಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. Stage 3 it is falling. Very similar to TP. Clear? All of you? I want everyone to write this particular thing, this graph. Very, very important graph, because there will be 1 or 2 questions directly from this graph. Okay, one more last point. ಈಗ ಎಂ ಪಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 0 ಇದೆಯಲ್ವಾ? ಎಂ ಪಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ 0 ಹೋಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಫಾರ್ ಈಗ ಇದರಲ್ಲೂ ನೋಡಿದ್ರಿ ಎಂ ಪಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 0 ಆಯಿತು. ಓಕೆ, ಇಫ್ ಎಂ ಪಿ ಇಸ್ 0 ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ? ಟಿ ಪಿ ಇಸ್
Maximum.
maximum. So we'll see there. Sorry. See, when MP is 0, TP is maximum.
Maximum.
ಆ point ಏನಂತಾರೆ? What is that TP maximum point ಏನಂತಾರೆ? It is called
Statutory point.
saturation point. It is called saturation point. Copy this graph, very, very important one. What is saturation point? What is saturation point?
Maximum.
What is maximum? Maximum correct. What is maximum?
Peak.
TP is
TP.
maximum. At what point TP will be maximum?
At 0.
What is 0, man?
MP.
MP is
MP
equal
is
to 0.
Speak very clearly. 0. Yen 0. MP is 0. TP will be maximum.
MP is 0.
Done? All of you? Okay, okay. Done? All of you? Bulky?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. ಈಗ ನಾವೇನು ನೋಡಿದ್ವೋ ಈ ಗ್ರಾಫಲ್ಲಿ ವೆನ್ ಯು ರೈಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಟೇಬಲ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಹೌ ಇಟ್ ಲುಕ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಯು ಪೀಪಲ್ ಟು ಟೆಲ್ ಮಿ ಟಿ ಪಿ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ 1 ಏನಾಗ್ತಿತ್ತು? ಯು ಸಿ ಯುವರ್ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಯು ಹವ್ ರಿಟನ್ ಇನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಬುಕ್ಸ್. ಟೆಲ್ ಮಿ ಟಿ ಪಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇಜಲ್ಲಿ?
Maximum.
TP was increasing, rapidly increasing. So it is at the increasing rate. ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಈಗ ಟಿ ಪಿ ಕರ್ವು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತಿತ್ತು?
It reaches the max point.
It was increases, yeah, very good. It increases to maximum point, but that increasing rate is diminishing. ಆ increasing pace ಹೆಂಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದೆ? that 33, 34, 35 score. That increase ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಬಟ್ ನಾಟ್ ರ್ಯಾಪಿಡ್ಲಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತಿದೆ ಟಿ ಪಿ? ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತಿದೆ? ಟಿ ಪಿ ಬಿಗಿನ್ಸ್ ಟು ಫಾಲ್. ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್.
All.
ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು?
Yes, ma'am.
ಫೈನ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಎ ಪಿ ಕರ್ವ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತಿದೆ? ಇಂಕ್ರೀಸಿಂಗ್. ಇಟ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸಸ್. ಅದು ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇಜಲ್ಲೇ ಹೋಯ್ತಾ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಯ್ತಾ? See your graph and tell me. There is nothing on the board.
Second stage.
Second stage ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಯ್ತಾ ಎ ಪಿ ಇದು? ಎ ಪಿ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಪಿ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಫೈನ್, ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಓಕೆ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಅ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಸಾರಿ. AP increases and reaches the maximum point in first stage only. There is one curvature, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬರಬೇಕು. I will redraw that, don't worry. Now, after reaching the maximum point, it begins to decrease. It begins to decrease. Last ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ? It continues to diminish.
Continue to diminish.
Continues to diminish. Done? All of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Next one. MP ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಮಾರ್ಜಿನಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್
Increase reach to maximum.
Increase.
ಇಟ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ರೀಚಸ್ ದಿ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್. ಆ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು ನೀವು, ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಗೆ ರೀಚ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ 2 ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ?
Decrease.
Decrease
It
become 0.
decreases.
Reach to
ಅಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ ಝೀರೋ.
Zero.
ಝೀರೋಗೆ ರೀಚ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಆಗೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ 3 ನಲ್ಲಿ
negative. It becomes negative.
Negative.
negative. I want you people to copy down this table and graph, very very important. Table and graph, very, very important. What happened? Another problem, huh? Should I repeat something? If you know this table and if you know the graph, that's more than enough. Mugita, this slide?
No, ma'am. No.
Ma'am.
Okay, fine. I'll give you another 15 seconds.
Finish, madam.
Over, ma'am.
Over, ma'am.
Finish, ma'am. Finish, ma'am. Finish, ma'am.
Finished, ma'am.
Okay. What do you mean by saturation point? Saturation point andre ಏನು?
MP is equal to 0, ma'am.
Okay. MP is equal to 0. What is TP?
Maximum.
TP is maximum. That is called
Maximum.
saturation point. What is point of inflection? What is point of bulky?
Adjusting point of AMP to TP.
AP to TP. Maximum point of AP. Adjacent to that on TP is the point of inflection. Very good. Okay. Bulky. What is saturation point?
MP is maximum point.
What is maximum? Yeah. What is maximum?
MP.
MP is maximum. What have you written, man? What is MP here?
What from TP?
I asked a saturation point.
TP, ma'am.
TP.
Yeah, TP is maximum. MP should be
Negative.
not negative. MP should be equal to 0. This particular point.
Yes, ma'am.
MP is equal to 0. TP is maximum. That point is called saturation point. When the highest point on the MP adjacent to that on the TP is called point of inflection. Artha aita? All the points?
Yes,
Without saying,
Yes,
will you
ma'am.
tell me? Will you tell me everything? Okay, fine.
Yes, ma'am.
In which stage TP reaches maximum?
Stage 2.
Second.
Stage 2. Oh, this is easier now. Okay. No. Okay. In which stage MP reaches 0?
Second stage. Second stage.
Stage 3.
Second stage, ma'am.
Okay. In which stage MP reaches negative?
Third stage.
Third stage. Very good. Nice. Okay. You close the book, Chodappa. All of you close the books. All of you close the books. Very good. Now, at what is the point where MP is equal to 0, TP is maximum?
Saturation.
Statutory point.
Yeah, Vida.
1 second.
Statutory point.
What is the point? Bulky?
Saturation point.
Saturation point. So, okay. So, Krish, you told saturation. Okay. What is the point where MP is maximum, adjacent to that is on the TP?
Point on inflection.
Very good.
This one.
Point of inflection. Very good. Done. So, at what stage MP goes to negative?
3. Third stage.
Okay. At what stage MP is increasing but at the diminishing rate.
Stage 2.
Okay, fine.
Stage
So,
two.
Krish, 1 second. This is to bulky. At what stage TP is growing rapidly?
Stage 3.
Listen here to it. At what stage TP is growing rapidly?
Stage 1.
Stage 1. Good. At what stage is AP reaching maximum?
Stage 2.
Good. Stage 2. All of you clear with this?
Yes, ma'am.
So, Krish, Balki, both of you are clear with this? Good. Okay, fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, ಈಗೊಂದು ಕರ್ವ್ ಬರದ್ರಲ್ವಾ, ಈಗೊಂದು ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಬರದ್ರಲ್ವಾ, AP, MP, TP ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ಅದನ್ನ ಏನು ಕರೀತಾರೆ ಅಂದರೆ, these are the names. Any of the names which are being given, they are referring to the same graph. ಯಾವ graph? The graph which we have written right now. So, these are the names. Just make a short note of it because ನಿಮಗೆ ಯಾವ graph ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. So, this is the graph. ಈಗ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀರಲ್ವಾ, ಅದೇ ಗ್ರಾಫ್, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆಸರಿದು. Done? All of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
fine.
ma'am.
ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ನೋಡಿರೋದು, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ರನ್ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್. ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ರನ್ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಕರ್ವೇಚರ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ದಲ್ವಾ. ವಾಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಲಾಂಗ್ ರನ್? ಸೊ ಮೇಕ್ ಎ ನೋಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್. ಲಾ ಆಫ್ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಟು ಸ್ಕೇಲ್ ಅಂದರೆ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಲಾಂಗ್ ರನ್. ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಸಿ ದ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್. ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಒನ್. Law of returns to scale, which can be told as it is on long run. Done? Okay. I want you people to see this. Yenu barkombedi. I will tell you first, then we will go to this. Increasing returns to scale, constant returns to scale, decreasing returns to scale. Okay. Anyone, can you just give me example for telling what is increasing returns to scale? One small example.
Growth.
Production.
Yeah, this is related to production, no doubt. Related
Growth
to
and production.
Yes, sir?
Growth and production.
Production, correct. Production is perfect. Okay. ಈಗ increasing, constant, decreasing ಅಂತಿದೆಯಲ್ವಾ? What do you understand by these terms?
And the profit of investment is
Increasing
more
growth.
increasing return to scale.
Very good, very good. Fine.
And constant, like same in constant return to scale, and decreasing is decreasing.
Okay, very good.
Loss.
Instead of taking that as profit, I will take it as production. Instead of taking it as profit, I'll take as production. All of you towards me. All of you towards me. ಈಗ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ನಾವು ರಾ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಅದು 100% ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. 100% ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಆಗ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ 125% ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಐ ವಾಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ 100 ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ಸ್. ಈಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, 200 ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ಸ್ 100 ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ 100 ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್. 100 ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ 100 ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಈಗ ನಾನು ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಈಗ 200 ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್ ಅಂದರೆ, ದಿ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ ಟು 225. Production will go to 225. What is this? This is called increasing returns to scale. This is called increasing returns to scale. Artha aita? The increase of output is more than the increase of input. Next one. Constant returns to scale andre input is increased by 100%, output is also increased by 100%. Input 100 units ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, so 200ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ output? 200 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. That is called constant returns to scale. Last one, which is called decreasing returns to scale. ಅಂದರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ನಾವು 100% ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ 75%. 75% ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಅ ಕ್ವಿಕ್ ರೀಕಾಲ್, ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸಿಂಗ್ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ಸ್ ಟು ಸ್ಕೇಲ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ, ರಾ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ಸ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಹಾಕ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಯಾಕೆ? ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಅಷ್ಟು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. ಈಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಯಿತು? 100% ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ನ, 125% ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಯಿತು ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಗುಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅಸ್. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸಿಂಗ್ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ಸ್ ಟು ಸ್ಕೇಲ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ? 100% ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ, ಬಟ್ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ? 100% ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಡು ಯು ಕಾಲ್ ದಿಸ್? ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ಸ್ ಟು ಸ್ಕೇಲ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ? 100% ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ, ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಅಪ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಬೈ 75%. ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು, ಬಟ್ it has also reached saturation, so it is falling. It is called decreasing returns to scale. Make a note of this. Idರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೋ ಡೌಟ್ ಇದೆಯಾ? Any doubts in this? Gurukul, Sukrish?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
What is this graph called as? ಇದು ಏನಂತಾರೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ? What do you call this graph?
Law of return to scale.
Law of return to scale. On which pace is this? Short run or long run? Short run or long
Short run.
Long
Short
run.
run.
Long run. Done, all of you? Last 15 seconds.
Oh,
Okay, good. Done? Okay, very good. So now we'll go with this. Okay. Consumer surplus. Consumer surplus is the topic. Now, for example, you have a shoe. Guys are always fond of shoes, watches. You assume that this is a shoe, though it is not looking like a shoe for sure. Or else we'll browse this. Okay, which company shoe do you like the most?
Nike.
Nike. Okay.
Air Jordan.
Why is shoes not coming? Oh my god. Okay. Any other word for shoe?
Air Jordan.
Okay, what, oh, wow, who was it? Who told that?
Me.
You like that shoe? Okay, nice, okay. How much does it cost, man?
About 50,000, 1 lakh.
Okay, very good, nice. Even I heard that particular shoe very recently. Okay, I am not getting shoe, but I got sandals for ladies, so I'll go for that. Okay, fine. Huh, tell me, I know, this is not that great, but if you want nice one also, we can still search, sir. If you, which one do you like, Vishwa? He's like, ma'am, it's not at all nice. Which one do you want, man? To gift your girlfriend? I guess this is good.
Walk arrow, ma'am.
Okay, sir. We'll go with this. Fine. There's a particular sandals which you like. Okay, fine. Let's give this is what you're ready for. Okay. And Darshan, I did not find shoe. If not, I would have taken Air Force One. But I did not find the shoe, so I'll go with this. Okay. Girls, sandals al yadadru tumba chanagira company gotta. If you guys know, let me see who will be knowing it. You usually purchase for your sisters, your
Bata.
friends. Which one?
Bata. Bata.
Bata. Okay, fine. Bata is one thing. Next. Okay, fine.
Puma.
Okay, Puma. Okay, fine. Okay. Now we'll go with Bata.
Walkway.
What did you tell now?
Walkway. Walkway.
Okay, Walkmate, all those things done. ಈಗ ಈ ಸ್ಲಿಪ್ಪರ್ಗೆ ನೀವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಡಕ್ಕೆ ರೆಡಿ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? How much are you ready to pay for the slipper?
300.
40 rupees telling you, Marshall.
300 rupees for the slipper. This is such a nice slipper and you're ready to pay only 300.
1,000.
According to me, ma'am.
Harshal, no, not even this heel will come for 300 rupees, man. Balki, how much are you ready to pay?
5,000.
2000.
2000, okay. Good man, thank you. 2000. Next, how much is Sukrish ready to pay?
Maximum 500, ma'am.
What? Where will you get 500? I will come to Jigni only. Get me this for 500 rupees, let me see. Okay. 500 is what Sukrish is ready to pay. I am very sure you will not be getting it for 500. 2000 is bulky price. 2000 is bulky price. Ega, one thing I will tell you, you should be very.
And you say
cautious
for
in-
boys, not for.
What, Mohan?
We said for boys, ma'am, not girls.
Hey, I am showing you this particular showpiece. And still you are telling it. Okay, okay. Wait 1 second. Okay. I want you people to just see this. Consumer surplus andrenu. Price ready to pay minus price actually paid. Remember this particular thing. Price ready to pay minus price actually paid. Now, I will take the example of Balki's one. Balki, how much were you ready to pay? How much were you ready to pay for this?
2000. 2000.
2000 rupees. I will tell this particular sandals was just 1000 rupees. Was just 1000 rupees. So, ಈಗ ನೀವು ನಿಮಗೆ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ಬೇಜಾರಾಗುತ್ತಾ? I didn't get the answer. ನಿಮಗೆ ಖುಷಿ ಈಗ ನೀವು ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಪೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ
ಖುಷಿ,
ಖುಷಿ
ಖುಷಿ.
ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ಬೇಜಾರಾಗುತ್ತಾ?
ಖುಷಿ.
It is the happiness. So this is called consumer surplus. Consumer surplus ಎಷ್ಟು? 1000. This whatever you are ready to pay is called MU. Whatever you pay is called MRP. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Whatever you are ready to pay MU, whatever you pay is MRP. So ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋದ್ರೆ you can write this as MU and you can write this as MRP. Artha aita, what is consumer surplus? You understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So for example, ಈಗ next ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸೇಮ್ ಸುಕ್ರಿಸ್ದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ತಗೋಣ, ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಟು ನೋ. ಈಗ ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಸುಕ್ರಿಸ್ ರೆಡಿ ಟು ಪೇ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಸ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ಸ್?
100.
You won't get anything for at least 500 was far better. I will take this 500. 500 was Sukrish ready to pay. Minus, how much is this MRP? MRP ಎಷ್ಟು?
50.
MRP was 1000 rupees. So, ಈಗ you will not be ready to pay. ತುಂಬ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗೋಯ್ತು, 1000 rupees shoe. So, what is this called? Is called producer
Not buy only, ma'am.
surplus. This is, one second. I am explaining concept, I don't want anything else. When I'm asking something, then you can tell. This is called producer surplus. When customer is happy, you tell customer surplus. When producer is happy, you say it is producer surplus. Got this points? All of you? Any problem with this particular concept?
No.
Excuse me, madam. Excuse me.
No. Okay. So just write this particular chart. We will go with this. Very, very important is the formula which is right there. Price ready to pay. Price ready to pay andre eno? What do you mention that as? Price ready to pay? Yes?
MU.
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 Very good. Price actually paid eno?
MRP.
Good.
Over.
Good. Okay. Tell me the formula for consumer surplus. CS is equal to
Price ready to pay, price actually paid.
price ready to pay minus
Minus price actually paid.
paid. Okay, good. All of you have completed this?
Yeah.
Okay. ನಿನ್ನೆ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಮೀನ್ ಬೈ ದಿಸ್ ಕಾರ್ಡಿನಲ್ ಅಪ್ರೋಚ್? ಕಾರ್ಡಿನಲ್ ಅಪ್ರೋಚ್.
Measurement and analyzing of in terms of cardinal numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4.
Very good. Whenever this cardinal bandre, then you can measure it with numbers. Very clearly you should remember this. This is nothing but you are measuring this particular thing in numbers. Clear? Okay. We will go to this particular thing. Okay. Price ready to pay estide? It is
30.
Price actually paid estide?
20.
20. Now tell me, what should be the consumer surplus?
10.
10. Okay. Next one.
8.
8.
8. I want you people to write this and fill this particular thing.
Madam,
Yes?
4. 4. Finished, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Can we fill this?
6.
6. Next.
4.
4.
Next.
4.
2.
2. Next.
0.
0.
Good.
Minus 2.
Minus.
2.
Okay. Idin
Yes,
fill
ma'am.
madidira all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What did you do for this? You just did mu minus
MRP.
MRP.
RP.
You tell me, when are you purchasing this product? ಯಾವಾಗ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ನೀವು? When are you
When we need,
purchasing this product?
When we need, ma'am.
When?
We need.
When
When
we
we
need.
necess-
Okay, fine. You need that, sir. You require that. You go to the shop and this is what happens. ಈಗ ಹೇಳಿ. When do you purchase it? You purchase the product when consumer surplus is positive. You purchase a product when consumer surplus is positive. You don't purchase when the consumer surplus is negative. That is what you have understood by this. So, when MU is equal to MRP, consumer surplus is 0. When MU is more than MRP, consumer surplus is positive. When MU is less than price, don't buy. Because consumer surplus is negative. Because consumer surplus is negative. Done? All of you? Okay, fine. So when you plot this on a graph, you go, tell me, when are you not purchasing the product?
MU less than
MU is less
less
than
price.
price, okay. When are you not purchasing a product? When CS, that is consumer surplus, is dash.
Negative.
Negative. Bulky? When are you purchasing a product? Consumer surplus is dash.
Positive.
Is Bulky answering? Mohan, just a second. When are you purchasing a product? When MU is when MU is dash to MRP.
Positive.
MU is positive, okay, fine. MU is dash to MRP. Greater than or less than?
Less than.
When are you purchasing it?
Greater than.
When it is greater than. ಈ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ? Okay, fine.
Yes, ma'am.
So, if you plot it on a graph, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ, all of you, this is the last thing, we'll write this graph and we'll be ending this. Now, MRP ಎಷ್ಟಿತ್ತು? 20. It remains same for all the products. Now, what am I plotting here? This is the MU curve. 30, 28, 26, 24, 22, 20. This is what was there even in the table. Now, what is consumer surplus is right above this MRP line, below this MU line. What is this curve? This curve is nothing but demand curve. Clear? If you plot it on a graph, this is how it looks. So this particular area, whatever you are seeing here, this is called consumer surplus. ಈ ಲೈನ್ ಯಾವುದು? ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ MRP ಲೈನ್, ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ 2020. ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಷ್ಟು ನಂಬರ್? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ಯಾವ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆದ್ರೂ MRP is 20. ಬಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಾಸ್ MU? MU was 30, MU was 28, MU was 26, 24, 22 and 20. So when you plot it, this is how it looks. Done, all of you?
Yeah.
Okay, I want 2 minutes of your time, all of you. So before ending this class, I want everyone to speak on this. So we can start with Sukrish. So Chaudappa has the mic. Who has the mic? Okay, Mohan has the mic. You can pass from one corner. One corner. Huh. I want you to tell me frankly, how are you understanding all the subjects? Economics, business law, accounts. I want everyone to answer this, so the mic keeps passing. So we'll start with Chaudappa. Sukrish, yes.
Economics 100%.
You weren't audible, sorry sir.
Ma'am, I'm telling you in percentage, ma'am.
Oh yeah, tell me sir.
Business 100%, ma'am.
Okay.
Hey, beta. Accountancy 100%, ma'am.
Okay.
Business law 75.
Business law 75. Okay. So first one you told business was economics, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So done. Okay.
Ma'am, economics and law 100% and accountancy 85%.
Accountancy 85. Okay, fine. Yes, Vishwa?
Good, ma'am. All is good.
All the subjects are going good. Okay.
Business economics 100%.
That's because I
Just
am here. Ma'am, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆನೇ ನಿಮ್ದು ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಹೇಳಕ್ಕಾಗತ್ತೆ? ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರು ಬಂದು ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
No, ma'am, it's a frank answers from everyone, ma'am.
frank answers from everyone. Okay, fine. Huh.
Business law 75, ma'am. Accountancy 100%.
Accountancy 100. Okay, done. Next. Oh, Dinesh, yeah, you haven't attended accountancy, but you can tell these two.
Economics 100%, ma'am.
Okay,
And business law 90%.
90%. Okay, fine. No problem. Thank you. Okay, thank you, Sukrish. If you're running late, you can head back. If not, you can stay for some time. Yes, Balki, I'll just take 2 minutes. There are a couple of students, that's it. So we can start with one corner.
Madam, economics, accountancy understand means business law is not understand.
Business law is not understanding. Okay, fine. Next. Not understanding
Economic.
andre ಏನು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ, because it becomes difficult for us to analyze what is not understanding.
50%, ma'am.
ಅಲ್ಲ 50% ಓಕೆ, ಐ ಅಗ್ರಿ. ಅವ್ರು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡೋ ವಿಧಾನನ ಏನು ಬೇಕು ನಿಮಗೆ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಲಾನಲ್ಲಿ?
Explain, ma'am, not clear.
ಅಂದರೆ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದರೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಿಲ್ವಾ ಅವರು? ಏನಾಗ್ತಿದೆ?
Examples not.
ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಸಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಮೋರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್.
It is not clear, ma'am.
Law examples should be more clear. Okay, fine. Done. Next.
Economic 100%, business 60,
Business
accountancy 80.
80. Okay. Can I just go to the business law and ask what is thing which you are requiring? Kandre sir, I'll take 2 minutes. Is that fine? Kandre sir, 2 minutes parvagilva? Okay, fine.
Yes, ma'am.
What are you expecting from business law?
Need to explain like you, madam.
Not understanding properly. Sound is not clear.
Sound. Okay. Voice, sound. Okay, fine.
Sir is not responding correct.
Sir is not?
Not responding correct.
No, that might not be a thing. Fine, okay. We will see to that. Next.
We need to explain like you, madam.
Darshan, can you please be a bit loud?
We need sir like explain like you, madam.
I didn't get at all.
ಮೇಡಮ್ ಅಂದರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ.
Okay, fine, ಸರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಫೈನ್. ಎಕನಾಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ?
ಎಸ್ ಮೇಡಮ್.
ಎಕನಾಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. ಲಾ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ?
ನೋ ಮೇಡಮ್.
ಓಕೆ, ಏನು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ?
ಮೇಡಮ್ ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಮೋರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡೀಪ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲನೇಷನ್ಸ್.
ಓಕೆ, ಫೈನ್. ಇನ್ನೇನೇನು ಬೇಕು ನಿಮಗೆ ಲಾನಲ್ಲಿ? ಅಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಸಿ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟೆಲ್ ದ ಫ್ಯಾಕಲ್ಟಿ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೇಲೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ಯು ವಿಶಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತಲೇ ಹೇಳ್ತಿರೋದು. ಸೊ ಡೋಂಟ್ ವರಿ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಇಟ್. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ ಅಂತಲೇ ಅಲ್ಲ, ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಎನ್ಶೋರ್ ದಟ್ ದ ಫ್ಯಾಕಲ್ಟಿ ಈಸ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಟು ನೋ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದೀಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಸ್ವಿಚ್ ಟು ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಎಲ್ಸ್, ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ದ ಫ್ಯಾಕಲ್ಟಿನೋ ಏನೋ ಆ ಥರ ಮಾಡೋಣ, ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಬಟ್ ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ವಾಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಆರ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟೇಷನ್ಸ್, ಅದಕ್ಕಷ್ಟೇ. ಓಕೆ, ದರ್ಶನ್, ಹೌ ಆರ್ ಯು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ಸ್?
ಗುಡ್ ಮೇಡಮ್.
Accounts is good. Okay, fine. Okay, pass the mic. Next person. Yes, sir. Sukrish,
No
you can
problem,
carry on.
ma'am.
Don't worry. Thank you. Bye. Yeah, we'll meet soon. Bye. Yes.
Economics no problem, ma'am.
Okay.
Business law problem, ma'am.
Okay, in problem. What is that problem? Define that.
Deep explanation, ma'am.
Explanation is the problem. Okay. Okay.
Voice, ma'am.
Voice. Actually, voice there. ಈಗ ನಾನು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿರೋದು ಆ ಸ್ಪೀಕರ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಏನೂ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗಿರಲಿಲ್ವಾ?
No, ma'am.
ಓಕೆ, ಫೈನ್. ಅಕೌಂಟೆನ್ಸಿನೂ ಸೇಮ್ ಕೇಳಿಸುತ್ತಾ? ಏನೂ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಲ್ವಾ?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಲಾನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಲ್ಯಾಗ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದರೆ ದೆರ್ ಇಸ್ ಸಮ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ವಿತ್ ಲಾ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
ವೇರಿಯೇಷನ್.
ಓಕೆ, ಡನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಪಾಸ್ ದ ಮೈಕ್. ವಿಲ್ ಸಿ ವಿತ್ ಅದರ್ಸ್.
Madam, economics is 90%, ma'am.
Okay.
Business law 50%, ma'am. Accounts is 70.
Okay. Okay, fine. I will go with first with economics. Economics, what else do you want?
Madam,
No,
ಎಲ್ಲ
you tell
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ
me
madam.
directly. Instead of someone telling me, you can tell me directly. No problem.
ಮೇಡಮ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಮೇಡಮ್.
ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ.
ಮೇಡಮ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಫೈನ್, ಓಕೆ. ಲಾನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬೇಕು ನಿಮಗೆ?
ಮೋರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಮೋರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸ್.
ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಓಕೆ, ಫೈನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಫೈನ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್.
ಮೇಡಮ್ ಎಕನಾಮಿಕ್ಸ್ 90% ತಿಳಿದ್ರಿ.
ಓಕೆ.
ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಲಾ 50%.
ಓಕೆ.
ಅಕೌಂಟೆನ್ಸಿ 80% ಮೇಡಮ್.
ಅಕೌಂಟೆನ್ಸಿ 80% ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಫೈನ್. ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಲಾನಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೇನು ಬೇಕು? ನಿಮ್ಗೇನು ಬೇಕು?
ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲನೇಷನ್ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ.
ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲನೇಷನ್ ಸರಿ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಬಿ ಅ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್. ಟೆಲ್ ಮಿ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲನೇಷನಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಬೇಕು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲನೇಷನಲ್ಲಿ, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ನಾನು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹಾಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಅ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್.
ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲನೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಕೇಳೋಂಟಿಲ್ಲ ಮೇಡಮ್.
ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಸರಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ದ ಮೇನ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನಿಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಾಯ್ಸ್. ಫೈನ್, ಓಕೆ. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಸ್ಪೀಕ್ ಒನ್ಸ್, ನೋಡುವ. ಫೈನ್ ದೆನ್, ಹೌ ಆರ್ ಯು ಪ್ರಿಪೇರಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯುವರ್ ಪ್ರಿಪ್ರೇಟ್ರಿ? ಐ ಹರ್ಡ್ February 3rd ಇಂದ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಿಪ್ರೇಟ್ರಿ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ಪಟ್ಟೆ. ಸೊ ಹೌ ಆರ್ ಯು ಪ್ರಿಪೇರಿಂಗ್?
Preparing, ma'am.
ಗುಡ್, ಓಕೆ, ಫೈನ್ ದೆನ್. ಸೊ ಆಲ್ ದ ವೆರಿ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೂ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಆಗಿ. ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಸಿ ಟು ದಟ್ ದೀಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ensured that this can be scratched so that there will be no problem in coming days. So tomorrow's class will be economics. If at all we can go ahead if we get a green signal. If not also, don't worry, we'll always be catching up down the lane with a very short gap which might be happening because of your examinations. So all the very best, study well and score well in your first PUC mains examinations, and then we'll resume back to CA Foundation. Is that fine?
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Have a great day. It was nice meeting you all.
ಓಕೆ ಮೇಡಮ್, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ರೀ.